This is talking fidgets part 4. Top print dimple. Dinosaur puppet. This butterfly puppet. And a planet dimple. A butterfly dimple. I mean butterfly dimple. And planet dimple. Let's start the story. Some of that. I was just drinking. So let's continue with the story. Guys, I heard someone's gonna get traded. Well, it's not gonna be me. I'm a planet puppet. I'm a butterfly dimple, and I'm so cool. He loves me. Well, he's not gonna trade me because I'm his favorite. Guys, he's not a she. He's a he. I know, guys, but no, he's not coming. Get this stuff all over my iPad that's recording. Well, when is he coming? Right now, I think. What? He's coming right now? Shut up, guys. What should I trade today? I'm gonna trade. Which one? There's so many to choose, so many options. Dinosaur puppets. That's a good one. So much better. I love this Among Us with me. Like for part 5. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm gonna drink again. Thanks for watching. Like this. Bye.
She's going to send it a form.
Oh no. I know he's so Bye guys. Those dinosaurs have kept our dinosaurs. Look at this dinosaurs. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Take 2 of my